Welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make this amazing dish. Starting off with my ingredients, I have my chopped onions, my lime juice, bell peppers. I have my epis, which is green seasoning, my eggs, chopped garlic, beef, flour, and then of course I have my Haitian bread, but your bread doesn't have to be Haitian as long as you have bread, as well as some additional seasoning, and you're going to see why I use that later on. So I have my beef. I am adding the bell peppers. And if you're someone that you don't too much care about vegetables, I promise you still try this because it's not overpowering or anything. It just makes the Haitian meatball, the Boulet, very flavorful, very seasoned, not too overpowering. Sometimes you'll try some dishes at restaurants or maybe a friend, and sometimes it's either lacking seasoning or just too much. That lime juice that I added here is going to make my meatball just so much flavorful. And the epis as well, it brings everything together. I have a video on epis. Please feel free to check that video out. But if you are a mama or you're someone who is always on the go, 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 you rushing, trying to make that money, this is the best dish to make because it's quick. It doesn't take too much of your time. And it has all of the vegetables that your body needs, right? So, of course, everything is going to be listed in the description box. I just want to make sure that this meatball is well seasoned. I did not put any measurements in there, but just use all the measurements that the ancestors are telling you to use. No, I'm joking. But if you have any questions, just feel free to ask me and I will tell you approximately like what the measurements that I most likely used for this video. Of course, it varies. Haitians don't believe in measurements. They just sprinkle what the Lord tells them to, what their ancestors tell them to. So Maggi is optional. I know some people tend to avoid Maggi because Maggi is high in sodium, but it makes your food so good. You make sure you just mix everything well together. You can use your hands, you can use a fork, you can use a spoon. Whatever your spirit is telling you to use, baby, you use it. But I'm telling you right now, I guarantee you that this Haitian meatball is going to have your husband wanting to propose again. You know, your kids wanting to clean their room. You know, it's going to make you want to be on time to work. Okay, I'm being too extra, but still, you get what I'm saying. Don't forget to check that description box for all the ingredients that I've used. And of course, come back and tell me how you like it. So can't forget the egg. Like I said, egg tends to keep that protein together. That's my belief. But I like using egg. It makes it, hey, it makes it stick together, right? And we need our meatball to be firm, be good, and not falling apart or anything. Of course, you can't forget to season your flour. I want my food to be well seasoned, not over seasoned, and not bland, if you catch what I'm saying. So, of course, I like to season my flour so I can ensure that when I bite into that meatball, it's everything that I want it to be and then some. So you won't regret making this. And you don't even have to be the best cook. As long as you follow what I'm doing in this video, I'm telling you, you'll be good. And also, it's inexpensive. This is not pricey to make. I know how things are set up as far as the economy. Everybody is looking to save some money. So if you're looking for some good food that ain't gonna break the bank, break your pockets, and can feed your 5 to 10 kids, this is the video for you. A trick I want to share is when it comes to frying, take a fork to ensure that you poke some holes in there just to make sure everything is well cooked. But this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.